Hey guys, it's John with Specialty Electric out here in San Diego. Again, we're out here in beautiful Temecula. We just did a whole house. Well, partially, part of the job. Some of the product isn't in yet, but this house is a beauty. It's a gem. Fans and lighting. And you'll see how this is a little bit of a fitted piece, more of kind of a ranch house look. And we went with the light wave in the kitchen, and the kitchen goes right into the living area where we did the clean by Mika Air. Nice piece right there. We will be adding a fixture in here eventually. And updated a couple of fans here in the bedroom. That's a cute 44-inch cute. And then we did another 44-inch cute here in this bedroom. Stay tuned for part 2 when we finish it up.